Ever found yourself trapped in a dilemma where expressing your vulnerabilities seemed like a surefire way to invite potential exploitation? In a world that often advocates for open discourse about personal challenges, Stoicism introduces a compelling lesson: the art of acting as if nothing bothers you. Rooted in ancient wisdom, this philosophical perspective offers a profound strategy for navigating the intricacies of human interactions. This exploration delves deep into 4 pivotal lessons derived from Stoicism, guiding you on an enlightening journey towards embodying resilience and tranquility amidst life's multifaceted challenges. Lesson 1. Master your words. In a contemporary society that often misconstrues verbosity as a symbol of strength, Stoicism's first lesson underscores the potent virtue of restraint. The unbothered individual, as advocated by Stoicism, masters the art of gaining control over their tongue, recognizing that silence can be more impactful than incessant words. Taming the untamed beast of verbal expression involves embracing moments of thoughtful quietude, allowing words to carry weight and significance. In a world clamoring with constant chatter, the ability to remain silent emerges as a rare and commanding trait, fostering an aura of unbothered confidence that speaks volumes. Lesson 2. Surround yourself with the right people. Navigating life's challenges becomes more manageable when fortified by a trusted inner circle. Stoicism encourages individuals to cultivate genuine connections with real people, those with whom vulnerabilities can be shared without fear of exploitation. While projecting an unbothered exterior to the external world, the importance of a close-knit support system lies in providing a sanctuary where struggles can be authentically addressed. In the tapestry of Stoic wisdom, the strength of an individual is not solely measured by their ability to endure alone, but by their capacity to share the burden with trustworthy companions. Lesson 3. Your soul on the first place. In an era dominated by the relentless pursuit of material wealth, Stoicism introduces the profound notion that genuine prosperity resides in the contentment of the soul. Gratitude, a cornerstone of this philosophy, serves as the gateway to experiencing true wealth. Taking time to appreciate life's small blessings redirects focus from ceaseless ambition to an earnest acknowledgement of the present. Stoicism further posits that community and service contribute to the contentment of the soul, emphasizing that true wealth is not accumulated in isolation, but through meaningful connections and acts of kindness. Lesson 4. Trust in the higher plan. Amidst the cacophony of comparison amplified by social media, Stoicism encourages the cultivation of trust in a higher plan. The final lesson revolves around placing faith in the Creator and embracing the unfolding of a divine plan. Stoic wisdom recognizes the challenges inherent in navigating the illusions of the modern world, but underscores that true power lies in trusting a plan beyond our immediate comprehension. Irrespective of individual beliefs, this lesson urges a broader perspective, inviting individuals to recognize that acting unbothered isn't merely a performance, but a state of being anchored in trust in the greater scheme of existence. In a world where exposing vulnerabilities can resemble bleeding in shark-infested waters, Stoicism offers a timeless guide on how to act as if nothing bothers you. These 4 lessons, drawing from ancient philosophical wisdom, illuminate a transformative path to unbothered living. Gaining control of your tongue, surrounding yourself with trustworthy companions, understanding the true wealth of a content soul, and trusting in a divine plan collectively form a profound blueprint for navigating life's complexities with resilience and tranquility. As you embark on this Stoic journey, remember that true unbothered strength is not a facade but a state of being grounded in wisdom, self-control, and trust in the greater scheme of existence. May this journey lead you to a profound understanding of the art of living unbothered amidst life's ever-changing currents.